In this video, we're going to look at managing jobs in the Dusk IOP. On the top left of the dashboard, press Add Tiles. You can drag job scheduled and asset locations onto the dashboard. In the top right of each of those tiles is a small cog. Pressing that allows you to choose the source, the location field. If you've got a cycle associated with it, you can nominate the days there, and you can also tick to show resources or not. This example here is provide to show cycle days. The tile down here is a similar setup, but by choosing a different value here, we're able to show different data sets. Once you're happy with it, click the Add Tiles icon again to lock the values. From here, navigate down to the Operations menu and across to Jobs. This screen here shows a job summary of all the work that's in progress. You're able to review them in here by pressing the photo icons, the receipt icons, or just clicking anywhere on the job itself. There are two ways to manage jobs in the Dusk IOP. The concept of baskets was introduced by Dusk Mobile to service high-frequency jobs out in the field. In this example, we'll look at New South Wales grocery. What we have here is a job basket. Down the left here is the ability to add templates. You can click on a template here and view it. It's similar to the traditional job style where you've attached a form, some skills, a description and a category along with a priority and a time. But essentially what's happening here is it's creating a template. In here we've got the cog icon to configure cycles across the top. These are dynamic and can be set up by you based on your business. In this case we have A, B, C and D of 7 days each, giving a cycle of 28 days. A template can be dragged over to a client and a cycle, in this case ABC Energy. We can go in here and make changes to that specific cycle and that specific template for that job, or we can update the template here on the left, which affects all. Once we're happy with this, we can press Execute Basket. And what this does is show us the date range that we'll be executing for, and then we can press Execute. This will send all work down for that cycle down to the representatives or the technicians in the field. Additionally, we have stores and resources. By clicking these, we're able to create a one-to-one relationship between a store and a resource, and then nominate the cycles that we would like that resource to visit that store. Once we're happy with all this, we can press Save in the bottom left. We can also filter at the top here by resources, clients as well, and we can enable and disable the basket. The next section is a traditional Gantt view. We can view work in here and we can drag across unassigned jobs onto a resource. In this case, we'll drag a job over for Wayne Foster. In here, we can assign or we can assign a dispatch and make changes as required. In this case, we'll assign the job. The next view is the calendar view. Similarly to the Gantt view, we can drag work over. Today is the 31st of May, so we'll drag over a job for the 31st of May. In here, we can nominate Wayne as the resource and assign the job. If for any reason Wayne isn't available, we can click the job and we can go reassign. And in here, we're able to change it to someone else, say Justin, and assign it to Justin as well.